How to set your YouTube TV home location. Setting your YouTube TV home location ensures you receive the correct local channels and regional content. Follow these steps to set or update your home location. Step number 1, open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your device or visit tv.youtube.com in a web browser. Sign into your account. Step number 2, access account settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select settings from the drop-down menu. Step number 3, navigate to the area section. In the settings menu, choose area. Click on home area to view your current home location. Step number 4, set your home location. If this is your first time setting a home location, follow the prompts to provide your address. You must be connected to the internet in the location you want to set as your home. Step number 5, save the location. Confirm the details and click Save. YouTube TV will now display local channels and programming for the set home location. Important notes: device requirements. Ensure the device you're using to set the location is in the desired area and connected to the internet. Frequency of changes. You can change your home location up to 2 times per year. Travel consideration. If you're temporarily in a different location, you can use the playback area setting to access local channels without altering your home location.